from ITP bearing roll number 22BQ1A1270. Today I am explaining the topic about Fibonacci series. We should take the Fibonacci series elements. We have to take 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. 0 and the last is 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 5. Like that Fibonacci series we should take. First, Fibonacci search. Consider the elements in sorted order. Let us consider the elements 10, 20, 30, 40. Number of elements should be 6. First Fib equals to 8, Fib1 equals to 5, Fib2 equals to 3. Initially offset equals to minus 1. Now let us consider Fib greater than n. We have to check. Fib means 8 greater than n. 8 greater than 1. So it is 2. Now int I equals to minimum of offset plus Fib2 comma n minus 1 and offset value minus 1 plus Fib2 value 3 comma n minus 1 5 2 comma 5 minimum of 2 comma 5 means 2, therefore I equals to 2. Now we have to search a of I less than such key. Now the search key element is 50. A of 2. 2 less than search key 50. A of 2 means 30. 30 less than 50. True. Fib equals to Fib1. Fib1 equals to Fib2. Fib2 equals to Fib minus Fib1. Here Fib equals to Fib1. Fib1 లో element Fib లో వస్తుంది కాబట్టి Fib1 equals to Fib2. Fib3. Next Fib2 equals to Fib minus Fib1. 5 minus 3 2. Now offset value equals to I. I value is 2. Next condition will be checked once. 5 greater than 1. Condition will be true. So int I equals to minimum of offset plus Fib2 comma n minus 1. Offset value 2. 2 plus Fib2 value 2 comma n minus 1 5. 2 plus 2 4. 4 comma 5. Minimum of 4 comma 5 means I value equals to 4. Now A of 5. A of 4. A of 4 value means 50. 50 less than 50. Condition will be false. So we have to check A of I greater than search key. A of I means 50. 50 greater than 50. Condition will be false. Now we have to check A of I equals to search key. A of I means 50. 50 equals to 50. Condition will be true. So we have to return the position I value. I value means 4. Now the search key element 50 is in the position of 4. Let us consider the search key be 5. Search key 5 అయిన ఎలిమెంట్ని ఇప్పుడు మనం కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. అంటే ఎలిమెంట్ నాట్ ఫౌండ్ కండిషన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు Fibonacci search ఎలా రాస్తామో ఫస్ట్ కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 6. సో హియర్ యాజ్ ఈస్ n ఈక్వల్స్ టు 6 కంటే గ్రేటర్ ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ Fibonacci సిరీస్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ని కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ Fib గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 1 కాల్ చెక్ చేయాలి. 8 గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 1 కండిషన్ విల్ బి ట్రూ. సో int I ఈక్వల్స్ టు మినిమమ్ ఆఫ్ ఆఫ్సెట్ ప్లస్ Fib2 కామా n minus 1. ఆఫ్సెట్ వాల్యూ ఇనిషియల్లీ -1. -1 plus Fib2 value 3. 3 comma n minus 1 5. 2 comma 5. Minimum of 2 comma 5 means I equals to 2. Now let us check that A of I less than such key. A of I means A of 2. A of 2 less than 5. A of 2 means 30. 30 less than 5. Condition will be false. So we have to check A of I greater than such key. A of I means A of 2 greater than 5. 2 means 30. 30 greater than 5. Condition will be true. 30 greater than 5. Condition will be true. So Feb equals to Feb 2, Feb 1 equals to Feb 1 minus Feb 2, Feb 2 equals to Feb 1 minus Feb 2. We have to consider like this. Now Feb equals to Feb 2. Feb lo value, Feb 2 lo value that was 3. Next Feb 1 equals to Feb 1 minus Feb 2. Feb 1 lo value, Feb 1 minus, you don't need the minus face to వచ్చే value 5 minus 3 2. Next Feb 2 equals to Feb minus Feb 1. 3 minus 2 1. Now offset equals to I. Here I value is 2, so offset equals to 2. Let us consider. The loop will be iterated. 3 greater than 1. Condition will be true. Now in type, offset value is 2. 2 plus Feb 2 value 1. N minus 1 means 5. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 comma 5. Now I value equals to 3. Let us check. A of 3. A of 3 equals to 40. 40 less than 5. False. Condition false. Now we have to check A of 5 greater than such key. A of 3. A of 3 value 40. 40 greater than 5. Condition will be true. Now Feb equals to Feb 2. Feb 1 equals to Feb 1 minus Feb 2. Feb 2 equals to Feb minus Feb 2. Feb 1 offset equals to I. Feb equals to Feb 2. Feb 2 lo value Feb lo వస్తుంది 1. Feb 1 లోకి Feb 1 minus Feb 2. You don't need minus is 2 minus 1 1. Feb 2 equals to Feb minus Feb 1. You don't need minus చేస్తే I equals to 0. Initially offset equals to I value 3. We have to say that when Feb 2 value equals to 0, the element is not found in the given array. So the element search key 5 cannot be found in the element.